Tricep workout is one of the most effective way to build a strong and well-defined arm. Number 1 exercise: seated dumbbell tricep extension.
Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like
Number
you.
2 exercise: row pushdown.
You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Number 3 exercise: one arm tricep pushdown. Number 4 exercise: laying barbell tricep extension.
Falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets.
Number 5 exercise:
falling fast,
barbell JM press.
I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so